Welcome to Travel Lifestyle. Are you dreaming of a fresh start in a new country, but worried about the costs? What if I told you there are places around the world that will actually pay you to move there? In today's video, we're diving into 5 incredible countries that are offering financial incentives to attract new residents. Whether you're looking for a peaceful village life in Italy or the vibrant culture of Spain, these countries have amazing offers that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. First on our list is Italy, a country known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and delicious food. But did you know that some rural villages in Italy are offering up to 30,000 euros to new residents? These picturesque villages, mostly located in regions like Sicily, Calabria, and Sardinia, are looking to revitalize their communities by attracting new blood. Benefits: financial incentives ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 euros. Low-cost housing and, in some cases, properties for as little as €1. A relaxed, peaceful lifestyle away from the hustle and bustle of city life. How to apply: research the specific villages offering incentives. Each village has its own application process. Ensure you meet the criteria, which often includes a commitment to renovate a property or start a business. Submit your application through the local municipality's website or via email. Next, we have Spain, another European gem with a rich culture and beautiful landscapes. Similar to Italy, some regions in Spain are facing population decline and are offering financial incentives to attract new residents. Regions like Galicia and Asturias are known for their breathtaking nature and charming towns, and they're ready to welcome you with open arms. Benefits: grants ranging from 3,000 to 10,000 euros. Affordable housing in picturesque locations. A vibrant cultural scene and delicious cuisine. How to apply: start by identifying the regions offering incentives. Local government websites are the best place to start. Be prepared to present a plan, such as starting a business or purchasing a home. Applications are typically submitted through regional government portals. Portugal, with its sunny beaches, friendly locals, and affordable cost of living, is another fantastic option. The Portuguese government has launched initiatives aimed at attracting foreign residents, particularly in rural areas and the beautiful islands of Madeira and Azores. Benefits: tax incentives for retirees and digital nomads. Grants for moving to less populated areas. A warm climate and high quality of life. How to apply: explore the Portuguese government's official websites for details on tax incentives and grants. Digital nomads can apply for the D7 visa, which offers residency for those with passive income or remote work. Retirees can take advantage of the non-habitual resident (NHR) tax scheme, which offers significant tax benefits. Imagine waking up to the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea. This could be your life if you move to Greece. In an effort to rejuvenate its population, particularly in rural areas and islands, Greece is offering financial incentives to new residents. Benefits: grants and tax breaks for remote workers and entrepreneurs. Low cost of living, especially in rural areas and islands. A rich cultural heritage and stunning natural beauty. How to apply: look into Greece's digital nomad visa if you're working remotely. This visa provides a 50% tax break for the first 7 years. Apply for relocation grants through the local municipalities or regional development programs. Visit official government websites to start your application process. Last but certainly not least is Mauritius, an island nation in the Indian Ocean known for its pristine beaches, vibrant culture, and welcoming community. Mauritius is attracting digital nomads, retirees, and investors with various financial incentives. Benefits: the premium visa allows you to live and work remotely in Mauritius for up to a year, with the possibility of extension. Tax incentives for retirees and investors. A stunning tropical environment with a diverse cultural scene. How to apply: the premium visa application can be completed online through the Mauritius government's official immigration website. Ensure you meet the financial criteria such as proof of income and health insurance. Investors and retirees can explore additional incentives through Mauritius's Economic Development Board. So there you have it, 5 amazing countries that are ready to pay you to move there. Whether you're seeking a slower pace of life, a vibrant cultural scene, or a tropical paradise, these countries offer incredible opportunities to start anew. If you're thinking about making a move, now is the time to take action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Travel Lifestyle, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and guides for living your best life abroad. Let us know in the comments which country you're most interested in and why.